In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics is a powerful business intelligence tool that allows you to visualize your data and extract valuable insights. Sharing this wealth of knowledge with your team or stakeholders is crucial, and this means knowing how to add users efficiently. Let's dive right in. To start, you need to be in your Zoho Analytics workspace. This is your hub, where all the action happens, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once inside your workspace, your first step is to look at the left-hand menu and locate the Settings option. Click on this. It's your go-to place for managing various aspects of your Zoho Analytics account. After clicking Settings, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Here, you want to select Manage Users. This is the portal through which you'll invite and control the access of new users to your data and analytics projects. Next, you'll see an option to Add New Users. Click on that, and you're now on the path to expanding your team. Zoho Analytics will present you with several fields to fill out. The first critical task here is to select the role you want the new user to have. It's important to assign roles carefully, since this determines what each participant can view and alter. Roles might range from a basic viewer to someone with full administrative privileges, so consider the new user's responsibilities before making your choice. Once the role is selected, move on to typing in the new user's email address with precision. An incorrect email might lead to confusion or delays, so double-check the details. After entering the email address, simply click Add. This sends an invitation to the prospective user, inviting them to join your analytics workspace. Congratulations, your new user is now added to the list. By following these steps, you've successfully expanded your team's ability to collaborate and analyze data within Zoho Analytics. They will now receive an email to join and begin their work unlocking data-driven insights. Remember, adding the right people with the right access level can significantly enhance collaboration and data-driven decision-making across your organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in walking you through the user addition process in Zoho Analytics.